Hello and welcome to our new session. In this session, we will discuss about what are the uses of civil 3D in civil engineering field as well as geological engineering and construction projects. In real projects, if you have such aware of such tools and you understand of such tools and you are know how about these tools aids of computer, so your work will be very easy and your work will be very accurate. For this purpose, civil 3D is a very important for every civil engineer, quantity surveyor, and also a geological engineer. So I will give you just a overview about civil 3D. Other detailed lectures we have in our series lectures. That tutorial we have start from the beginning to the upper levels for understanding and the use of civil 3D in a civil engineering field, practical use. So I will show you some features of civil 3D. First of all, this is our contour line and our cross sections here, making some alignments. So civil 3D is used for road geometric designs, efficient road geometric designs by using ASTO geometric design codes, and also civil 3D is used to computing the quantity earthwork as a result of road construction or a result of spoiled. You can find the capacity of the spoil of the area, you can find the quantity of water storage in the dam area by knowing the contour and survey of that area, and you can understand the geology of that area by slopes from the contours, and you can predict the type of rock on the base of this cross section and profile of the roads. Civil 3D is used to design the sewerage system, storm design, how to use planning for the development of a town, proper discharge of water, drain of the water, and you can find the catchment areas. From one by one I will show you. This is called tool space. If you click here, this will open prospector, sitting, survey, toolbox. Each and every step is explained in our tutorials, so you can go in our on the same channel you can find a numerous of tutorials about civil 3D. So this prospector, you can say this points means that survey points, coordinates simply, and these are the surfaces which you have drawn. Alignments, it may be center line of a road, it may be center line of your channel, it may be center line of your storm pipeline, that you can find making the sites, proper site developments for your town planning, and here is your pipe size and everything is here. And this is corridors. From the road design you have corridors. Each and every step is in detail in our already shared and uploaded tutorials. In civil engineering learning education learning hub, in the same YouTube channel. So you can contact, feel to free to contact with us regarding civil 3D. If you have some problem, we can discuss and we can sort out that problem. If you go through the very basic and understand this one, the very important is that civil 3D is a, you can give the preliminary even in detail view of the projects. You can especially for the roads, for the water supply engineer, for geology engineer, it's very important. So here is the parcel dividing the lands into town planning, okay, and here is your feature lines. Each and every step is explained. Grading, use of grading is very important. Then we have alignments. From the alignments, creation of alignment, everything is explained, and we have profiles and what type of profile. Then we have corridors assembly, construction of assembly composer, uses of assembly composer. It's very interesting software and it's very important uh, that it should be known by civil engineer as well as associate engineer, engineering field of the quantity survey. So this is just an overview of civil engineering software, especially civil 3D. I highly recommend this software for the civil engineers, even it's from planning or even it's from quantity survey estimation or even from its geological background, whatever, this software is very important and to use this one and to understand this one. So other a lot of tutorial and usage you can find, and it's a software, Autodisk software, so you can purchase from Autodisk and Autodisk website, and for learning purpose you can get from Autodisk as a student version. So thank you very much, and for detailed learning you should visit our website, a YouTube channel, and try to learn from the basic. Each and everything is explained. Thank you.